My dad started losing his hearing when he was in his 30s from rheumatic fever he had as a child. At first it was sort of a joke. Oh, he only hears what he wants to hear. Convenient. He never hears the word money. But it kept getting worse. Doctors told him that hearing aids wouldn't help and he'd just have to learn to live with it. What he lived with was frustration, isolation, and depression. His hearing didn't just affect him, it affected everyone around him. I was an impatient teenager. I talked fast, and I would get frustrated having to repeat everything all the time. I'd get angry when I needed a ride home, and I'd call and he didn't answer because he'd never heard the phone. And it was embarrassing when I'd bring friends home, and you could hear the blasting of the TV as soon as we got out of the car. It wasn't until after my father died, at 53 years old, that I felt guilty. He missed so much of my life. It didn't have to be that way. My father didn't die a happy man. Even at the age of 53, he was isolated, depressed, and solitary. I realized that the one thing that makes people the most happy is being with the people that they love and care about. Happiness is celebrating joys and successes with one another. Happiness is commiserating and consoling one another in bad times. Happiness is sharing stories, telling secrets, laughing together, and being with one another. You can't do that if you don't hear and understand well. You're left out. You're alone. I've spent my life trying to make sure no one is ever left out. The voices of the people that you love and care about are too precious, and the sounds of life too beautiful to ever miss.